If you can't visit Spain now, then bring Spain to you. These delicious Spanish meatballs are very easy to make and you don't need much. So, what do you need? Ground beef, an onion, an egg, tomato paste, parsley, paprika, and garlic. In the description box you can find the exact measures for this recipe. First, chop an onion into fine slices. Then, chop some cloves of garlic in fine slices or use a garlic press. Lastly, chop some parsley very finely. Mix the ground beef with the chopped onion, garlic and parsley and add some paprika and an egg. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to your liking and knead well. Form small balls of the ground beef mixture with your hands. Just like this. Then, put a pan on a stove and add some oil. Fry the meatballs for around 5 minutes until brown. Now you can add the tomato paste. Season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Let it simmer, covered, for another 15 minutes on low heat. And then, you got yourself some delicious albóndigas for your tapas at home. And as we say in Spain,
Que aproveches.
Enjoy your meal. But, are you not the greatest cook and do you want to taste the real Spain? Then, you should join our tapas bike tour through Seville when you're able to visit again. Click on the link in the description box for more information. We just can't wait to taste all those delicious Spanish flavors with you.